Namaste everyone and welcome to the meditation class. As you must have seen, today I'm going to do what is called Swadhisthana chakra meditation. Swadhisthana chakra is one of the 7 chakras in our body. What are chakras? Chakras are basically, think of it as different functionalities in the human psyche. And also, they also contribute to the physical part in that part of the body where they are located. Swadhisthana chakra is, there's nothing actually there. It's more like a function that is the center of that function. Think of it as the switchboard for that particular function. So we'll talk about other chakras. I will also talk about, I'll do once what is called a Shabda chakra, Shabda meditation for each chakras. There is 7 chakras have sounds. We will do that one day. That's a beautiful meditation in itself. The Swadhisthana chakra is supposed to be the center of our emotional nature. So whatever our emotions are. So right now, while you are waiting for this class to start, right, where the slide was going, then your mind would have been doing things. It's never quiet. It would have been thinking, what it's reading and analyzing, and sometimes getting impatient, whatever is happening in the mind. It is, each one of us is different. Uh, there's a there's a well-known saying, the way the cookie crumbles. You must have heard this saying. So if you break a cookie, every time you break it, it'll crumble in a different way. Sometimes there'll be half in this hand, half in this hand. Sometimes there'll be a quarter and three-fourth. And even the jagged edge will look different every time. So each human being is very unique that way. And what happens is, think of it as a statistical distribution. If you're familiar with statistics, there is a statistical distribution of human types, human minds all over the world. Some of them are calm by nature, they don't get upset at anything. And the other extreme is people who get upset at every small thing. Now, I'm not saying that there are no real problems in this world. There are real problems. Some people do face real problems. But the mental part of it, that is the reaction to any problem, that is in our control, actually, through the processes of yoga. Now, the Swadhisthana chakra, which is the second chakra from the base out of the 7 chakras, is basically the boiling pot from where all the emotions arise. And nowadays, there is a lot of scientific evidence for this in terms of vagus nerve and gut bacteria, the gut health. So many factors are connected now with this region. And targeting this this particular region helps a lot. I don't know why my camera went out. Hold on 1 second. Helps a lot. Can you all hear me? Give me a thumbs up. Oh. Yeah. So the mind basically is like a extremely super active dog. It's very difficult to control the mind. And the reason is because people try to control the mind at a different place. That's not where the mind is getting generated. So people ask, where is the mind? We definitely know that we have a mind because we think a lot and we think about things and all that. So what is the mind? Where is the mind? The mind is a combination of this gut and the brain, basically. The gut generates and the brain expresses. The brain is the place where the emotions express themselves in the form of physical reactions to that. So, say an angry person, his eyebrows will get crumpled and there'll be a kind of frown on the face and all that. And a person who is peaceful will appear peaceful on the face. So this is the brain is doing that. But the source is the Swadhisthana chakra. Now focusing meditation on Swadhisthana chakra is very beneficial for controlling our reactions to things. See, we are not trying to control the actual things that are happening, but our reaction to things, because the reaction often is the bigger problem than the actual problem. Sometimes even everything is perfectly okay. And even then, there's a kind of discontent within us, which is also generated from Swadhisthana chakra. And the best example of this is like celebrities, for example. If you take celebrities, they are doing very well. They have everything in the world. They have huge fan following, and when they go to do a concert, there are like 50,000 people there, and they have all the money in the world, they have all the luxuries, but still there's a kind of discontent inside, where that's again coming from Swadhisthana chakra. It's a very complex thing. It's not easy to understand why the Swadhisthana chakra does this, but let us just focus on how to fix it, because that is it's a proven method. Okay, very well proven method. And today, I want to take you into a very deep uh, meditation of Swadhisthana chakra. And for that, we will first relax the body, and I want you to remain very, very still in this exercise. The physical stillness is very important for success in these kind of meditations. Because if we move, attention comes back to the body. We don't want to come back to the physical body. The physical body should appear to be not even there. And then we connect with the subtle body. And then we slowly go towards the Swadhisthana chakra. And I will guide you to the Swadhisthana chakra. And then you go there and we will do a little local breathing into the Swadhisthana chakra. So as if the Swadhisthana chakra is expanding and contracting with your breath. And this is quite an amazing exercise, because if you do this very well, you'll actually feel your Swadhisthana chakra. You'll start feeling your Swadhisthana chakra. And in fact, any part of the body, you can feel this when you do breathing exercise in that part of the body. You'll feel actually that part expanding and contracting. And when that happens, the Swadhisthana chakra starts getting purified, because your Chaitanya, or your awareness, or your consciousness, which is the purest thing in us, touches base with the Swadhisthana chakra, and thereby transforms the nature of the chakra to one of sattva, what is called sattva, or purity, or nobility, or calmness, or in Bhagavad Gita, as it is said, sthita prajna, or a steady wisdom. So I hope you enjoy this meditation. Remember stillness, very still. And we will start.